Hello friends, God bless you and welcome. My name is Penny. Thank you so much. We're back together again, guys, doing these tier trays. And I'm so grateful today for my co-host, Miss Gigi Creation. Friends, please go check out her channel. Gigi, thank you so much for collaboration with me. And guys, her link will be in my channel. And on today's video, all I ask is that you decorate your tier tray, or if you don't have a tier tray, you can just use a tray, a single tray, and just incorporate green. Friends, this is my first St. Patrick's Day tier tray, or decorating for St. Patrick's Day for 2022. So here is my DIY. I actually bought these little roller pins on last year from TJ Maxx, and I never used them. So I said, well, I need to start trying to use these rolling pins, because it seems sometimes in other videos and it looks so beautiful. So I got some hunter green paint from Walmart, and all the acrylic paint at Walmart is just so cheap. They were like, some was 50 cents, some was 84 cents, maybe $1. And I was like, oh, these are great prices. So guys, go to Walmart, because you know these things can get a little expensive. So guys, it's just taking a little layers here. I had to paint about 2 or 3 times. I thank you so much, friends, for all of you guys that have participated and those that will watch our videos. Thank you guys. We truly appreciate it. God bless you. Friends, as I look at this beautiful color, this is a beautiful green color. So I'm so glad that I'm in the green. Guys, you got to have on that green for St. Patrick's Day. Thank you so much. And I hope you get some inspiration out of this. I'm just going to take you through, guys, on how I put this together, because once I put it together, I didn't want to take it back down because it really came out great. This is a sign I bought from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take this apart and going to repaint it. And as you see on the frame of it, it has those beautiful wooden beads, and I'm going to use that and for my tier tray. So I'm not gonna, paint it, but I'll just use that. But in this part, guys, I began to paint it with the acrylic paint, but it didn't seem to be going anywhere, and I didn't have time to really play with it. So I ended up turning it around on the other side. So I've learned how to just find some cute little Dollar Tree signs and just remake them. And on the right of me, guys, I ended up going back to the Dollar Tree, and I found some little black little pots, and I bought some gold, and I bought some 4-leaf clovers that was in green. So that's what's on the side, guys. One point I thought I had to repaint them, but I found out the color was beautiful. So guys, the Dollar Tree still has some great things, even though it's $1.25 on our side, but thank God still for the budget. So I'll tell you guys, this came out so great, and I just wanted to share with you on how I put this all together. Thank you so much for watching. I used my Cricut machine and I made some letters, and I made it in the style of the Ray Dunn. And let me tell you something, guys. These little skinny letters is not easy to pull off, or to maneuver, to put it like that. The smaller the letter sometimes is a little difficult, but I end up playing with it here and there. Had a little difficult spots here, but it ended up working. But I love doing DIY and budget stuff, so I'm still using the painter's tape to transfer it. So it's just gonna take a little process in this. But through it all, it came out great. Now, I didn't put the word lucky because we are blessed. We are God's people and we are blessed. So we don't go on luck, but I put blessed, okay? So guys, I hope y'all like this on the end. I hope y'all tell me what y'all think of this and even share with me what I could have done better. Guys, I love to get great tips from you guys because you inspire me to do this. Here I just want to share with you, I did this prior almost a few weeks before, and guys, I'm telling you, I did it on the Cricut machine, and I always want to let you know the $1.25 vinyl works with your Cricut machine. You just got to be very cautious with it, and this is what I did. And I did a TikTok video, to share it with people, because so many people don't believe that this stuff works. But I got some $1.25 vinyl to use on my Cricut machine, guys, and it came out great. And I'm going to show you how I did the white vase that has Irish on it. And once again, the letters are called, if I'm not mistaken, Too Skinny, or I know it's called Skinny, and it's the Ray Dunn style. So guys, that's how I did that. So what you think is the $1.25 Dollar Tree vinyl. Friends, this is the finished process of it. I hope you enjoy it. The little houses, I had those from Hobby Lobby. The little pots were from the Dollar Tree. Guys, I had that little lily green. Someone gave that to me. Those little legs was a part of the leg, the words, and the hat that came from the Dollar Tree, and I just kind of took it apart. So thank God for the pot of gold. So if you're new today, thank you so much, and I hope that you subscribe. Guys, hit that like button and please leave a comment and tell me what you think. I want to thank all my faithful friends who participate with me and who watch my videos. I truly appreciate it, guys. Without you, it will not be no me. It will not be no us. Let's keep this thing going, guys. So next month, if the Lord say the same, I will be back with the spring and Easter tier collab. So guys, get ready. I will give you the dates later. Thank you so much, and I hope y'all have a blessed week coming into your day, or your morning, or your night. And I hope y'all enjoy this. Thank you, and please let me know what y'all think. Y'all have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. Love you, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye. God bless.